So when we have 2 points and we don't have the graph where we can just count it, we use the formula for slope. M is the symbol for slope. Someday I'm going to look it up why. I'm sure at one time I knew, but I've forgotten. M is the symbol for slope. It's the change in y. So they say take y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over the change in x. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, it really makes no difference which one you call point 1 and point 2, so I don't know why they say sub 2 and sub 1 first and second, just so that you're consistent in your order. Technically, if I was following my formula and I called this one point 1, x1 and y1, and this one point 2, x2 and y2, I would take the negative 7 and subtract the 6, and then I'd take 4 and subtract the negative 6, right? So negative 7 minus 6 is negative 13. 4 minus a negative 6, I'd have to change to 4 plus 6, so I would get 10. However, if, for fun, I did it the other way around just because I can, if I did this one minus this one, I would do 6 minus a negative 7 and negative 6 minus 4. I end up with 13 over, or 13, and I wrote negative 13. 13 over negative 10, and you can see when you simplify them both, you get the same answer either way. So my point being, it really doesn't matter which one's point 1 and which one's point 2, as long as you're consistent in the order that you're subtracting when you find your slope. So on number 14, if I'm going to find the slope, I'm doing the change in the y values first. What might I do? 5 minus a negative 7. And the change in x, then I would do 3 minus my negative 2. And so I'm going to end up with 12 fifths for my slope. And so number 15, if I'm going to find my slope, I would do negative 6 minus 7 over 2 minus a negative 3. And so we would get negative 13 fifths. Easy enough, right? You already know how to do this. Gavin.